Namaskar. Welcome you all to Makanlal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Communication, Bhopal, which is a 30-year-old university dealing with the specialized areas of journalism and communication. We do have departments that offers programs related to the core journalism, mass communication, electronic media, advertising and public relations, cinema studies, new media technology, media management, communication research, library science and computer science and applications. The university offers 10 undergraduate programs that are based on National Education Policy 2020, in which in this year 2023 we have introduced 2 bachelor's program catering to English journalism, a BA in English journalism, and promoting the Bharatiya Bhasha, the Indian languages. We are introducing bachelor's arts in Hindi literature and translation studies. So I welcome all interested young boys and girls to join Makanlal Chaturvedi University. Thank you.